Bobbi Althoff's journey from a TikTok content creator to a renowned podcaster exemplifies the power of creativity, persistence, and strategic networking. Early beginnings on TikTok. In 2021, Bobbi began sharing candid and humorous content about her experiences as a mother on TikTok. Her relatable approach quickly resonated with audiences, leading to a substantial following. Transition to podcasting. Seeking to diversify her content, Bobbi launched the Really Good podcast in April 2023. Her unique, deadpan interview style set her apart, attracting listeners and notable guests alike. Breakthrough interviews. A pivotal moment in Bobbi's career was her interview with comedian Funny Marco. Impressed by her approach, Drake followed her on social media. Seizing the opportunity, Bobbi invited him onto her podcast. To her surprise, Drake agreed, leading to a widely viewed interview that significantly boosted her profile. Continued success and recognition. Following the Drake interview, Bobbi hosted other prominent figures such as Lil Yachty, Mark Cuban, and Shaquille O'Neal, further cementing her reputation in the podcasting world. Her ability to engage high-profile guests and maintain her distinctive style has been key to her ongoing success. Bobbi Althoff's evolution from sharing personal anecdotes on TikTok to engaging in conversations with celebrities highlights her adaptability and dedication, making her a notable figure in contemporary digital media. If you like this story, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.